Want to know more about electric vehicle batteries? Is it safe in the real world? Hi, I'm Brian. Today, let's talk about battery safety on the road. Will internal material crack? Could internal circuit loosen? Don't worry. Any battery on the road has been extensively tested. In this vibration test, CATL's lab simulates a wide range of road conditions, ranging vertical jolts from speed bumps to irregular vibration from uneven roads. It's equivalent to drive a vehicle for 300,000 kilometers on rough roads. After testing, a battery pack must have a tight bolts, intact insulation, and stable voltage. In general, no. A battery pack is protected by an outer shield with the cell buried deep inside. These shields are typically made of high-strength metal. The damage from gravel, it can barely hurt it. Some battery packs may not use high-strength metal, but there are alternative solutions. For instance, the Shenxing Pro has a flexible polymer arch bridge on the body, which can drive over 85mm steps easily. Not necessarily. In most cases, dent appears on the metal protective plate. Typically, there's a space between protective plates and the cells. Hence, deformation doesn't exactly mean damage. Whether the battery is actually damaged should be assessed by qualified professionals. The amount of reserved impact clearance varies between different battery packs. If your vehicle has a noticeable dent, have it assessed at an authorized service center. That's all for today. Leave a comment if you have any other EV-related questions. See you next time.